I'm going to show you how to tie the Alpine Butterfly Bend. This bend is a great knot to attach two ropes of similar diameter. Doesn't matter if they're slippery, stiff, or flexible. This is a great knot to use to attach two ropes securely. What I do is I start off by putting these two ropes together and then just tying a simple overhand. That way it keeps the ropes together while I'm tying the butterfly, because it's a little bit busy. It's super powerful and strong and valuable, but it's a bit busy. So what we do is we start here with the butterfly bend, and we're going to bring the rope over your hand, and you're going to need to give yourself some slack, and you come around. So the knot is at the top of your hand, just like this. Very simple. And then you're going to come around again and below, just like this. So you can see you've got this crisscross. You've got this top up here. If I flip my hand over, you can see the crisscross there. Now this is where the magic comes in. You're going to pull some of this knot loose here, and you're going to feed it under the space. So when I show you, it's going to get a little bit busy, but I'm going to feed this knot under the space between my palm and these two ropes, and watch what happens. I simply hold it up here, make sure I don't get anything all crossed up, because it is easy to do that. Feed it under. All right. And now, with this knot just kind of hanging loose, I begin dressing the Alpine Butterfly. And voila, it worked out perfectly. This is very easy to inspect. Everything should be nice. There should be an X on the back, on the front or back, however you look at it. These two should form sort of saddle over those two. And now, this knot is irrelevant, but I just leave it in there as an extra security. I could actually loosen it up and push it down a little bit further. That way, if I'm actually attaching two ropes and it's important, then I'm much safer and more confident with that experience. And now, I've got these two ropes attached together in a very nice linear fashion, unlike the overhand bend or anything like this, where you pull it apart. The Alpine Butterfly Bend is super useful because it is almost a linear knot, so when you pull on these two, there's no twisting or warping of that, which makes it very valuable. Knots like this are featured in my book, The Most Crucial Knots to Know. The Alpine Butterfly Loop is featured in the book, and this is just a variation, but this attaches two ropes together. It's super handy. Check out links below to my book, The Most Crucial Knots to Know, and you too can learn how to tie the Alpine Butterfly Bend with an extra knot just to hold it together to attach two ropes of similar diameter. Thank you very much for watching.